by the way. It's been there for let's say it's over 8 years, and it's used to keep the water cool, and it's always either cold and sweet. I don't know if you guys have this still in your village, but yeah, that is it.
Anataska. What is your ngenya kod lep kongoma?
So yes guys, we had to add our tomatoes at this point, and this is actually natural cooking, no spices, no anything. It's just like that, natural, made with onions and tomatoes. Hivyo tu peke yake was just enough for this. So this is a meal for at least 4 to 5 people. And yeah, we are in the village, and here you use natural stuff. We don't have spices around and all that, but it's okay. It's still sweet, and hopefully we are going to enjoy it.
Eugene, chumvi.
So for me, I'm used to actually steaming my cabbage, but down here my sister was like, oh, they always use onion and tomatoes and all that, and I was like, okay, fine, why don't you try that? Yeah, the outcome was not that bad. It was sweet. Actually, it was sweet.
Yeah, that looks so good. And I wanted to show you guys something so interesting. We have like the village fridge, which is right here in the corner. This is like in my car, by the way. It's it's been there for over, let's say it's over 8 years, and it's used to keep the water cool, and it's always ever cold and sweet. I don't know if you guys have this still in your village, but yeah, that is it. Comment down below if you know of it, or if you still have it in your place. Comment down below, guys. So while this is cooking, we don't want it to overcook. Yes. Okay. Hapo hujaweka salt mingi. Sawa. And yes, our cabbage is ready. We're gonna put that aside. Tuwekea ugali. Take over. And the ugali is ready. Yes.
So that is it for this video, guys. See you on the next one, and goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one.